What up, YouTube? We're here with Skeleton Jack, or Jack Skeleton, or the Pumpkin King. He's getting lots of names.
Santa Claus.
And right now, yeah, he's Santa Claus. Santa Claus Jack. From Nightmare Before Christmas, but you know that. And here's the guru.
Howdy always. Come on out here, Jack.
Creepy.
He's super skinny, which is no other way to make him. Because he has no mass other than bone. It's really creepy to see Santa Claus looking like this. Because you usually see him fat and with skin. I was waiting to get a Jack for the longest time, and when I saw him, I knew I had to have him. His beard comes out, kind of dangles. He's just a really, creepy, prancing kind of fella. His fanny. He's got these little flaps here. His boots. They turn all the way around. Got such tiny feet. His hands are all skeletal. And they flex forward and back. And he can just get really posed. Oh, Santa Claus. Oh, what are these toys over here doing? I should bring them to all the little boys and girls. Or not. You can go. Go away, please. You look dangerous. How about you? Do you want to go be with boys and girls?
Oh! I have this giant key! It's bigger than your leg!
Ah! Ah!
Oh!
How about you? Do you want to go to be with the boys and... Ah! My beard! Do you want... My beard! Do you want to go be with the boys and girls? My giant sword just knocked over them. What do you think? Why? Oh, what the fuck happened to my leg? Oh, good thing I'm a Skeleton Jack and I'll be alright. God, that guy's annoying. Oh, I don't know. This isn't going so well. Maybe I should go back to scaring people. How could you scare anybody?
You're sucking all the life out of me! Oh wait, I don't have any life. Please go be with the boys and girls. La da 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 da.
Oh. Mickey, will you go be a toy?
Oh, I'm so pissed off looking, but yeah, sure. I'd love to be a toy for a boy or a girl.
Oh, that's great, Mickey, that's great.
Oh, my beard, my beard.
It's my beard now. You can't have it.
Some people are so cruel. Sorry, Mickey. Oh, you missed him because I knocked him over already. Whoa, why am I in the air? The force I am using. Twisting you about I am. Crack, 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 crack. jackass over there with the ears? They're so tiny. Let's go make them tinier. Nice beard over there. Where I shall. Hey, that's my beard. Not today, it isn't. Beard power. Oh God, my arm! You took my arm off! I use that old arm attack every time! Now I'll wear the beard. Or I'll just sit it on my head like I'm a thing or something. There we go. I like that. Need to get another arm, though.
So, Scott.